This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever started your Audi and suddenly seen a warning light that seemed to come out of nowhere? A yellow warning light appearing on the dash. A service reminder message will show up. A strange notification on the dashboard screen. An unexpected message on the dashboard. And immediately the question appears in your mind. Can I simply reset it? The answer is sometimes yes. The answer is sometimes no, it cannot. And understanding the difference can save you a lot of money. One of the biggest mistakes Audi owners make is treating every warning light the same way. Not all warnings indicate a major problem, and not all warnings disappear by simply clearing them. Many dashboard messages are designed to inform the driver about maintenance, inspections, service intervals, or temporary conditions. Others may indicate that the vehicle has detected something that requires attention. The smartest Audi owners do not panic, they investigate. Because resetting a warning without understanding why it appeared is like covering a smoke detector with a blanket. The sound disappears, the cause remains. This is why diagnosis always comes before resetting. Many owners become frustrated when they see service reminders after maintenance has already been completed. In those situations, the issue may simply be that the service interval was never reset correctly. The warning is not necessarily reporting a fault. It may simply be reminding the driver about a maintenance schedule. Understanding that difference is important. Before we continue, if you enjoy practical Audi ownership tips, hidden features, maintenance guides, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, please subscribe to the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, but for my channel, it is incredibly important and helps me continue creating useful Audi content for owners like you. Now let's talk about error messages. Modern Audis contain dozens of electronic control modules. These systems constantly communicate with each other. Sometimes a temporary condition can trigger a warning. A low battery, an interrupted sensor signal, an unusual operating condition. The warning may disappear after the system verifies that everything is working correctly again. Other times the warning remains because the underlying cause still exists. That is why simply clearing a message is not always a real solution. The goal should never be to hide a warning. The goal should be to understand it. Another common mistake is searching online for a quick reset procedure without knowing what the warning actually means. Different warnings have different causes. Different causes require different solutions. The smartest approach is always information first, reset second. Because a correctly solved problem often removes the warning permanently. A hidden problem usually comes back. And sometimes it comes back at the worst possible moment. The Audi owners who spend the least money on unexpected repairs are usually not the luckiest. They are the owners who pay attention to warnings early, understand what the vehicle is trying to communicate, and act before a small issue becomes an expensive one. That is the real secret behind stress-free Audi ownership.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.